Open eyes to blue sky, feel the morning's warm light. Take a breath, hearts unite. In this life, take our flight. Hand in hand we create. Every step lifts the way. Paint the world bright and bold. Every story we've told. Make this world a beautiful place. We got love in this space. Colors blend, hearts embrace. Together we can trace. Dreams they come, dreams they go, but with hope, watch them grow. In our hearts, seeds we sow. Feel the love, let it flow. Rise above, touch the stars. Every soul leave a scar. In this dance we're apart. Beat as one from the start. Make this world a beautiful place. We got love in this space. Colors blend, hearts embrace. Together we can trace. Make this world a beautiful place. We got love in this space. Colors blend, hearts embrace. Together we can trace. Together we can trace. Dreams they come, dreams they go, but with hope, watch them grow. In our hearts, seeds we sow. Feel the love, let it flow. Rise above, touch the stars. Every soul leave a scar. In this dance we're apart. Beat as one from the start. Make this world a beautiful place. We got love in this space. Colors blend, hearts embrace. Together we can trace. Make this world a beautiful place. We got love in this space. Colors blend, hearts embrace. Together we can trace. Together we can
the shadows where whispers entwine, an echo of silence, a promise unkept, a sudden sharp flash where the sun failed to shine. All the secrets that linger beneath the pale breath, as I trace the cold silver across my warm skin. In the stillness I ponder this dance with my death, how a blade drew the line when the story begins. The chores lay before me like ghosts in the haze, in corners unflinching where shadows would play. But the knife cut deep, unveiling the maze. As I grasped at the blood, it whispered and swayed. All the secrets that linger beneath the pale breath, as I trace the cold silver across my warm skin. In the stillness I ponder this dance with my death, how a blade drew the line where my story begins. Whoa. With every drop falling, the world feels so strange, a tapestry woven in riddles of night. Each heartbeat a compass, each glance feels like change. In the hush of the dawn, I embrace my own fright. All the secrets that linger beneath the pale breath, as I trace the cold silver across my warm skin. In the stillness I ponder this dance with my death, how a blade drew the line where my story begins. Whoa. So here in the darkness where the light dares not fall, a lesson in chaos, a stream flowing wild for the night of the morning. In the silence of the night, echoes of memories born, whispers of your laughter, now just echoes in my home. Promises we made, like fragile glass they break, leaving me stranded in this cold, lonely ache. So I'll sing this sad refrain for hearts that bear the pain of love lost in the rain, and dreams that couldn't sustain. Oh, let these tears fall like rain, washing away the stain of a love that's gone in vain. In this melancholy lane, pictures on the wall, a reminder of our past, moments frozen in time, but the feeling didn't last. Every note of our song now feels out of tune. In the silence of my room, I'm haunted by the moon. So I'll sing this sad refrain for hearts that bear the pain of love lost in the rain, and dreams that couldn't sustain. Oh, let these tears fall like rain, washing away the stain of a love that's gone in vain. In this melancholy lane, sunrise yawns away, empty cup in hand, sea haze and smoke, Dreams made of sand, concrete jungle screams, lost in 9 to 5. Coffee stains on sheets, loneliness alive.